All right, so right now we're going to start packing for 3 weeks in Japan. We're gonna go through both of our bags and show you what we're packing. So here we go. All right, we're gonna do this one kind of vlog style. So I think Kylie's gonna show us what she's packing first.
So we are packing for 3 weeks in Japan, and it is the longest trip I think I've ever been on. And we're also trying to pack as small as possible. This is my bag that I'm bringing. As you can see, it's not huge, but I think it's spacious enough to bring what I want. I also am planning on buying some stuff in Japan because I heard they have a lot of great stores, and so I'm excited for the stores to go shopping. And we've done some research about the weather, and it's supposed to be mostly warm. I know it's gonna be pretty humid. I have about 5 smart wool shirts. It's supposed to be a lighter material and also prevent us from sweating and stinking as much, and we'll see if that works. We also have access to laundry in, I think, all of our hotels. So we're gonna definitely take advantage of that. That's how we're able to pack super light, is we're just planning on doing laundry. And of course, I'm, like I said, gonna do some shopping. We have these little space bags that I'm packing all my clothes in. And it does a great job, as you can see with this is like my underwear, my bras, my tank tops, and some socks in there. And it does a great job of basically sucking all the air out of it and making it a little bit more compressed. And I'm bringing about 6 pairs of underwear, 5 pairs of socks, and 3 bras, like 2 sports bras, 1 regular bra. And that's how much can fit in this. It's pretty thin. I'm trying to decide if I want to just like stuff it in there like that, or if I want to roll it up like this and put it in there. I'm just trying to decide what takes up the least amount of space. I don't know. When I did a little practice pack, I just put it in flat like this, and it worked out pretty good. I'm bringing, like I said, a few tank tops because it's supposed to be pretty warm there, and mostly short sleeves. I'm just trying to bring as little as possible. It looks like a really big bag, but it's kind of crazy how small it slims down, which when you are just bringing one bag, it makes it a lot easier. 7 shirts and 1 more tank top, let's see. So that makes 8. So there are 8 shirts in here. And then let's see. So you just zip it, and then you see the air is coming out right here. Try to get all the air out that you can to make it as flat as possible. Let's see. As you can see, it took a lot of the air out and it made it a lot smaller. So okay. And as you can see, there's still quite a bit of room in here. And there's also some room up at the top of my bag. And I think this is where I'm going to put my electronics and stuff and my rain jacket. Let's pack the pants now. We're going to do the same thing. So I have 2 pairs of pants. And I am wearing some leggings on the airplane, so I will be having those as well. Okay, so I have 2 pairs of pants, 3 pairs of shorts, and I have a little sports dress that I'm bringing because we are going to be doing a little bit of hiking, and because it's so humid, I just want to make sure I have some options. So overall, 2 pairs of pants, 3 pairs of shorts, and 1 sports dress is in here. So we're gonna see how small we can make this. So that didn't work. It just exploded out the top. The air is supposed to escape from the bottom and not the top of the bag. Okay, we gotta figure it out. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that is all my clothes except for my rain jacket, and as you can see, honestly, it fits really well in there. There's still even some more give. I could probably fit something else in there. I might actually try to put my rain jacket in this pocket instead of the top one, because I'm gonna put my toiletries in there. Yeah, I think actually I probably will put the rain jacket in one of those bags. So I'm gonna put my laptop in this laptop sleeve. It's a little bit of a tight fit. Okay, but it fits. Let me zip it up. And that is all of the clothes and my laptop. And I still have all this room at the very top of my bag. And this is where I'm going to be putting my toiletries and my brush and stuff, my hair. So I have my toiletry bag. It's going in there. This has my hairbrush and my other toiletries that aren't liquids in here. This is gonna go in here. And just like that, it looks like it all fits pretty well. And the cool thing about this backpack is you can actually roll it. And then clip it, just like that. So if you need to put more stuff in it, you can. But this is about it. I have just my phone charger that I'm gonna put in here, and that's it. I'm done packing. So this is 3 weeks in Japan, and this is the only bag I'm bringing.
Okay, so now for my bag. First thing I'm going to show you is just the electronics that I'm packing and how I'm going to pack them. I think this is less important because obviously this is going to be different for every person. But in this front pouch here, I have some of my electronics. I have my charging cables down here. I have my hard drive. I have a charging bank, the little airfly adapter for planes, a pen, some medication, headphones, and then I do have my camera filter in this little pouch. And then I also have my adapter, which isn't really an adapter, but just easier to charge with a lot of ports. And then I have my camera battery charger with an extra camera battery. And that's most of my miscellaneous electronic stuff. The other big item I have is my camera. I'm gonna put my camera, my A7 IV, in this little protective pouch. And I'm just bringing this little manual lens, this 50mm, and also my 20mm. So these are all gonna go in here. So all my camera stuff is gonna go in here. And that's gonna go right in the bottom of my backpack. So that takes up a lot of the space I have, but luckily I also have the little bags like Kylie had. So in here I have 6 pairs of underwear and 6 pairs of socks. So I'm bringing, I'll just say 2 pairs of pants and 4 pairs of shorts. Okay. Oh, this is my freaking laundry from the other day. I'm not taking that shirt. For my shirts, I'm taking 1 polo and 4 t-shirts. I'm also bringing the shirt I'm wearing on the plane, which isn't counted in this. And then I'm also bringing my rain jacket. Okay, the last couple things, this is just a little day pack I'm bringing, which I'm also going to just stuff in the front pouch. And then I have all my toiletries. So I have my liquids, my contacts, and then just some other miscellaneous toiletries. Got my toiletries and my liquids there. Now, let's see if this sucker will close. I think I packed worse this time. Well. The last thing is my laptop, which I'm putting in the laptop pouch, the very back. And everything is packed. So that is my one bag for 3 weeks in Japan.